So today this caught my eye. It's the cheapest Toyota you can buy in the UK in 2025. If you went to any Toyota UK dealer, ask for the cheapest car they've got, brand new one that is, it's this. Still comes with a 10-year warranty though. So as always, if something catches my eye, I'll take you on a walk in 4K to have a look. So let's have a look at this. The Toyota Aygo Pure, £16,500. In white, it's the only colour you get for free. So I thought, you know what, you'll appreciate it. Let's have them lights. Come on, look at them. They're pretty cool. Wheels are 17s. It's not push button start like all the hybrids are. It's the old school key. You can open it though without using the actual key itself by just pressing on the remote. And then, like the good old days, we used to stick the key in and start her up. As you can see, this one is brand new. It's done 1 mile. Good to go for a long time, isn't it? You don't get a hybrid on this like you do on the Yaris I looked at the other day, which was the cheapest hybrid you can buy, which was the Toyota Yaris Icon spec. Here you get a 72 brake horsepower, normally aspirated engine, so you don't have that big old battery to lug around, so you're still doing 60 miles per gallon, even though you don't have the hybrid system. So, what do you reckon? It's got 17-inch wheels. Doesn't have tints like I've mentioned on some of the Icon. This is the Pure. So it's, like I said, 16.5. You can go up, I think the next jump's about 2,000 up to the next level. But I just thought, you know what? If you didn't want to spend that much money and you wanted a 10-year warranty, what a great little car. Great size boot on these. You have top tether seats, 60-40, is it? No, it is 50-50 split. So you have 50 and 50. So good sized boot. Do you get a spare wheel in this base model? No, you just get an inflation kit. You don't get windows that go up and down in the back either. You get these little pop out. Not the best, but they'll do the job, won't they? It's a weird shaped door on that. Look at that. Very strange. Very strange. Look, there's the top tether. Really well trimmed though. Dark grey. No complaints there. You've got Isofix right through the back. You've only got the 2 seat belts, so it's a 4-seater, not a 5-seater, but it's not that big in the back. I mean, you could, yeah, it's not that bad. I reckon you can get 3 in there, but you obviously can't because there's no middle seat belt. So it's officially only a 4-seater. Electric windows in the front, electric mirrors. A little bit of lighter grey on the edge of this, just breaking it up a bit. Nice, if a tad plasticky steering wheel. Got a few options there. Manual box, you can get these in auto. It's like another 1,100, but so we're looking at this. We wanted the cheapest, and this is the cheapest. What have we got down here? A little AC adapter. I think it definitely comes, yep, comes with camera, which is pretty good, isn't it, actually? Look at that. And what we got here, media, vehicle, tells you all about what you're doing. Go back to that. I think it's got, yeah, you got DAB, all the standard stuff. Android Auto, put your nav onto it. Up here, you've got the old SOS button, pinpoints your location, calls emergency services if you have any accidents. What we got, mirror this side. Probably got one this side as well. Yep, there you go. For a normally aspirated, they're not actually that bad in here, noise-wise. You'll see from other videos, been driving loads of hybrids. I mean, you get a little bit, but it's only a 1-litre engine, so it's not going to make too much noise unless you are revving it hard down the motorway, which, to be honest, if you're looking for a car for that, this is probably not it. It drives quite nice. Gear change, it's all right, if a little notchy. So, there you go. Cheapest at 16.5. Only 3 colour. All the other colours are like £590. I think there's like 3 other colours. It's the option 16,000. You know, like I like to overthink. So at 16, you think it's got a 10-year warranty, 10-year peace of mind. What's a 2015? So a 10-year-old one now is at what, 5 grand? So it's going to cost you what, 11? So it's 1,100 quid a year in depreciation. If you keep it for 10 years, trouble free. Bulletproof reliability. They give you a 10-year warranty because it's never going to go wrong. So it's cost you 1,100 quid a year for 10 years. to drive around in something that's never going to let you down. What's not to like? Other than if you don't like it, I mean, you see it doesn't have tints in the back, but wheels look good. Like the wheels, big 17s on it. Does look quite big, doesn't it? So if you wanted, like I said, the cheapest car that you could get, this is it. It looks very good from behind. Look at that. Very good. Them lights are cool. Great size wheels. One thing to note on this, you get the lesser spec headlights. On the up spec, you get a bit more of a angel light around the edge. This one's a little bit more basic, a little bit more old school, but it does the job. I mean, it's not going to set the world on fire, is it? But like I said, it's the cheapest you can get. So what do you reckon? As always, if you found that video of use, please do give it a thumbs up. It will help my channel immensely. And I'll see you again soon when I spot something like this. And I'll take you on a walk in 4K to have a look. Anyway, you have a great day. Weather's been a bit awful. Not been on doing that many videos, actually, because the weather's been pretty rubbish. But yeah, see you again soon.